Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kings. This is a channel that teaches you how to monetize skills and crypto updates on this trend. So very quickly in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to claim MasterCoin um, worth about $1,000 all for free into your Trust wallet. You heard me right. This is worth $1,000 all for free into your Trust wallet. So if you're watching me for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification
Hello
bell
guys.
button, and click on all so that you can be notified of all of my recent videos. You can also click on the notification of the video, scroll down and click on this Telegram link so as to join our Telegram group and be part of the family. This is it right here. It is down below. So remember to check it in the description. So let's get straight to the video. So this link also to the MasterCoin.click will be in the description menu below, so you just have to input that and load it in your D app so you can see everything. Is going to show who referred you and all that, and it's going to generate your link for you. So you can claim the airdrop by clicking on claim airdrop here. You can also buy the token by clicking here, but do your own research before you buy. So if I click on claim airdrop, it's going to take me to another platform where I'll be buying from my Trust wallet. So guys, it's going to take a fee of $2.65, and if you want to try that, you can also buy that and you get it. I've bought it already, so I don't want to purchase again. So just look at this interface, guys. You can generate your link here, click here, and it will copy your own link for you. Then you click on OK. You can see the link down below. It's generated. So if you don't have a referral, it's not going to generate your link for you. Then look here. If you want to buy, you say it's very cheap now. The maximum you can use to buy is 10 BNB. Then 0.05 BNB will give you about 5 MRC, 5 trillion MRC, and thereabouts 1 BNB will give you 100 trillion, and 10 BNB will give you 1 trillion. Sorry, this is billion, and this is billion also, but this is trillion. So that's how the token is. So if you can click on buy, also it take it to an interface where you're going to buy the coin. So just click on buy if you want to buy. I don't think the sale is on. I think it should be on. Sure. Okay, let me see. It's like the buy token. It's not. It's network. Okay, let me click on buy now. It's taking me there. Then to buy, the least you can buy is about 0.05 BNB, which is $20. You can buy right from here, and you can just input the amount you want to buy. That's the default setting, so you can change this. If you want to buy with 10 BNB, let's see how many token we are going to be given. So let me see that 10 BNB. Let me click on buy token. Then let's see how many BNB it's going to worth. So it's worth $4,000 to buy with 10 BNB. So guys, take a deep thought before you make the decision. Okay guys, it's your boy Ola, and see you again on the next segment of my airdrops. Till next time, see you again. Goodbye and stay blessed. Remember to subscribe to Tech Kings and stay watching.